Welcome to Hong Kong, the Pearl of the Orient, a city that pulses with an energy unlike anywhere else on Earth. It's a place where towering skyscrapers pierce the clouds, ancient traditions whisper through bustling alleyways, and lush green mountains tumble into the turquoise sea. But with so much to see, do, and taste, planning a short trip can feel overwhelming. If you're visiting for the first time and only have 3 precious days, you've come to the right place. This itinerary is your key to unlocking the very best of this incredible city, ensuring you don't miss a thing. We'll journey from the dizzying heights of Victoria Peak, watching the world-famous skyline emerge from the morning mist, to the serene halls of ancient temples, where the scent of sandalwood and incense hangs heavy in the air. We'll escape the urban jungle to discover hidden, sun-drenched beaches and tranquil fishing villages that feel a world away. We'll take a scenic journey to the Big Buddha, a majestic seated bronze statue, 34 meters high, situated amidst the beauty of Lantau Island. And of course we will dive headfirst into the city's legendary food scene, from Michelin-starred dim sum to the sizzling woks of street-side dai pai dongs. Hong Kong truly packs an astonishing diversity of experiences into a compact space, offering a new adventure around every corner. To make your journey seamless, I've designed this guide to be incredibly practical. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to spend 3 perfect days, with a day-by-day breakdown of what to see, where to eat for the most authentic flavors, and how to get around efficiently using the city's world-class public transport. We'll cover everything from booking tickets in advance to save time, to finding the best photo spots that go beyond the usual tourist trail. Think of this as your personal roadmap to experiencing Hong Kong like a seasoned traveler, not just a tourist. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and tastes of this captivating metropolis. Our adventure begins now. Let's start with day 1. Our first full day in Hong Kong begins with an ascent to its most iconic viewpoint. No trip to this vibrant metropolis is truly complete without experiencing the breathtaking panorama from Victoria Peak. It's more than just a destination. It's a rite of passage, a way to truly comprehend the staggering scale and verticality of this incredible city. From here, the entire urban landscape unfolds beneath you like a living map, a testament to human ambition nestled between mountains and sea. The journey to the top is an adventure in itself. We're taking the historic Peak Tram, a funicular railway that has been hauling visitors up the mountain since 1888. As you begin the steep ascent, a peculiar optical illusion takes hold. The towering skyscrapers of Central, which moments ago scraped the sky, suddenly appear to tilt at impossible angles. It's a disorienting and utterly unique experience that sets the stage for the spectacle awaiting you at the summit. Standing more than 500 meters above the city, Victoria Peak offers one of the most spectacular urban views in the world. Once you arrive, make your way to the Sky Terrace 428, the highest viewing platform in Hong Kong. The 360-degree vista is simply overwhelming. Your eyes will trace the dense clusters of buildings on Hong Kong Island, follow the tiny Star Ferries crisscrossing Victoria Harbour, and scan the sprawling expanse of Kowloon stretching towards the distant mountains. We highly recommend arriving early in the morning. Not only will you beat the inevitable crowds that flock here daily, but you'll also be rewarded with the clearest views. The crisp morning light illuminates the city in stunning detail before the characteristic afternoon haze begins to soften the landscape. It's a peaceful, almost meditative time to soak in the grandeur of it all. Plan to spend about 2 hours exploring. Beyond the main observation deck, there are several walking trails that offer different perspectives. The Lugard Road Loop is a particularly beautiful and easy walk, a paved path that circles the peak. It provides stunning framed views of the skyline through lush greenery, offering a perfect contrast between nature and the urban jungle below. It's the perfect way to complete your visit before heading back down to explore the city from street level. After descending from the peak, explore Central, Hong Kong's financial heart. Walk among towering skyscrapers while discovering colonial-era buildings, luxury shopping, and hidden local food spots. Ride the famous mid-levels escalator, the world's longest outdoor covered escalator system. Grab lunch at a traditional Hong Kong cafe and try local favorites like pineapple buns, milk tea, or wonton noodle soup. Next, make your way to the legendary Star Ferry. For just a few dollars, you'll enjoy one of the most scenic ferry rides on Earth. The short trip across Victoria Harbour offers incredible views of Hong Kong's famous skyline. Many travelers consider this ferry ride one of the best bargains in travel. Once you arrive in Kowloon, stroll along the Sim Shat Tsui waterfront promenade. You'll find countless opportunities for amazing photos of the skyline. As night falls, stay along the waterfront for the Symphony of Lights. Every evening, buildings across the harbour participate in a synchronized light and music show that illuminates the skyline. It's the perfect ending to your first day in Hong Kong. Tomorrow, we're heading beyond the city into one of Hong Kong's most spiritual and scenic regions. Day 2, we're heading to Big Buddha, Ngong Ping, and the beaches. Start day 2 by heading to Lantau Island. The highlight begins with the Ngong Ping 360 cable car. As you glide above mountains, forests, and the South China Sea, you'll quickly realize that Hong Kong is much more than just skyscrapers. The journey itself is an attraction and offers some of the most beautiful scenery in the region. At the top, you'll find the famous Tiantan Buddha, commonly known as the Big Buddha. Standing 34 meters tall, this bronze statue is one of the largest seated Buddhas in the world. Climb the 268 steps to the platform and enjoy sweeping views of Lantau Island. The peaceful atmosphere provides a fascinating contrast to the energy of downtown Hong Kong. Nearby, visit Po Lin Monastery, one of the most important Buddhist sites in the area. Take your time and soak in the tranquil surroundings. After lunch, head to one of Lantau Island's beautiful beaches. Many first-time visitors are surprised to learn that Hong Kong has excellent beaches. Chung Sha Beach is one of the longest and most relaxing stretches of sand in the territory. Enjoy the ocean views, have a drink at a beachfront cafe, or simply unwind after a busy morning of sightseeing. Finish the day in the charming coastal village of Mui Wo. This laid-back area feels worlds away from the skyscrapers of Central. Watch the sunset over the water and enjoy a quieter side of Hong Kong that many tourists never see. Tomorrow, we'll dive into Hong Kong's food culture, local markets, and vibrant nightlife. Start your final day with a traditional Hong Kong breakfast. Visit a local Cha Chan Teng, a classic Hong Kong cafe. Order milk tea, toast, eggs, and macaroni soup for an authentic local experience. These cafes have been a part of Hong Kong culture for generations. Next, explore some of Hong Kong's most famous markets. Visit the Ladies' Market in Mong Kok, known for clothing, souvenirs, and bargain shopping. Walk through the surrounding streets and experience one of the most densely populated neighborhoods on Earth. The energy, sounds, and atmosphere are unforgettable. You'll also find countless food stalls serving local favorites. No trip is complete without a food crawl. Try dim sum, roast goose, egg waffles, fish balls, pineapple buns, and Hong Kong-style milk tea. Hong Kong is consistently ranked among the world's top food destinations. Even simple street food can become one of the highlights of your trip. Spend the afternoon tasting as much as your appetite allows. As evening approaches, head to Temple Street Night Market. This famous market comes alive after dark with street performers, food vendors, fortune tellers, and countless local stalls. It's one of the best places to experience Hong Kong's unique atmosphere. For the perfect end to your 3-day Hong Kong adventure, we're heading up, way up. The city is famous for its rooftop bars, each offering a unique, breathtaking perspective on the urban jungle below. As you step out onto the terrace, the energy of the city seems to rise up and meet you. Find a spot, order a signature cocktail, and just soak it all in. This is the moment to toast to an incredible journey. Looking out as the city's lights shimmer and dance across the dark waters of Victoria Harbour, you begin to understand the magnetic pull of this place. Hong Kong isn't just a city, it's a living, breathing entity, a spectacular fusion of Eastern tradition and Western modernity, all packed onto a series of islands and a peninsula. If you're planning a little longer trip to Hong Kong, check out my next itinerary right here. It'll help you plan your entire vacation with even more things to see while avoiding the most common travel mistakes. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel itineraries. Until next time, happy travels.